Hello friends, welcome to Kalsi Estate. My name is Kalsi. I'm into industry from last 29 years and I take my job as serving rather than selling and I love giving plenty of advice in real estate. तो दोस्तों आज के प्रेजेंटेशन में आप देखेंगे दमैक रिवरसाइड इन दुबई. So let's begin with the presentation. So friends, Damak Riverside is located in Dubai Investment Park 2 and it is very close to Al Maktoum International Airport, which is one of the largest airport which is coming up in Dubai. And this project is developing in 10 billion square feet, which has 1900 townhouses. So townhouses are all sold out and there are 24 buildings. What you see in the image over here, there are 24 buildings and every building has two-level basement parking and some buildings are ground plus 8-story building and some buildings are ground plus 14-story building. So buildings has all combination of 1 and 2 BHK flats. So developer has already launched 16 buildings in this project and the latest ongoing project is Indigo, Marine, Royal and Capri. These are the building names which are ongoing now, and rest of the buildings are sold out. And after 16, so total 24 buildings are there. So after 16, another 8 building will be coming up in future development. So here developer has given maximum amenities which is in the river in the centers of the building, and this is almost 1.8 kilometer to 2 kilometer river which is flowing in between all the buildings. And maximum amenities what you will see over here, these are all floating amenities in the river. So it's a very unique amenities. It's a different concept and one of the fastest selling project in Dubai. So when you see the bird's eye view, this is how the total land parcel look and the project looks. So in front side of the building you will see all townhouses are there and these are all sold out, but townhouses too has plenty of amenities which is in center of the townhouses, and there is man-made beach over there, and other side you will see there are 24 buildings in one row, and in center you will see all the amenities has been given which is all maximum floating amenities in the river. So in amenities you have clubhouse, amphitheater, kids adventure land, hydroponic farm, game zone, calisthenic station, essential oil lake, floating opera, proposal deck and much more. So when you see location map over here, project is located over here. This is Damak Lagoon, this is Damak Hills, and this side you will see this is Al Maktoum International Airport, which is one of the world's largest airport which is coming up in Dubai. There is Damak Hills 2 over here. So project is 10 minutes from Expo 2020, 12 minutes from Al Maktoum International Airport, 15 minutes from Golf Club, 16 minutes from Global Village and 19 minutes from Dubai Outlet Mall. So very rightly located in center of Dubai. So this is Dubai's first riverside community. So here in amenities you will see there is all floating decks are there. So there is proposal deck and there is party deck, and right side you will see it's a large clubhouse with plenty of facilities and amenities inside with dine and restaurant. So it's a project for good health, great food and better living. So this is one more closer look of the buildings, and total 24 buildings are there. So beside river amenities you have some amenities which is attached to the building. It's on the land, plus there are big roads connected to townhouses and apartments. So this is relaxation zone again with walkway and plenty of plantation around, plenty of palm trees. So very well designed. There is rock climbing wall which is again it's a floating rock climbing wall in river, and these are some of the amenities which are given in townhouses. Plus when you see in center there is a badminton court, floating badminton court in the river, and left side that's a rock climbing wall which is again it is floating in the river. These are some of the townhouses amenities like barbecue and camps. तो यहाँ पर आप अपना dishes भी बना सकते हो from your own hydroponic farm, and this is the night image of the township. Very beautiful look of the project, and these are again some of the floating amenities, and this is man-made beach which is given in the townhouses, plus there's a floating theater too, floating dining space. So So plenty of luxury and unique amenities are there in this project, and Damac is one of the branded developer in Dubai. Plus यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे this is proposal floating deck, and right side every flat has huge deck and it's a running balcony, large size clubhouse with swimming pool and plenty of amenities and facilities. Plus there is floating music station, so it's a perfect place for the family to stay. You can buy as a actual user, or you can buy as an investment, or you can buy as a passive income, as a rental income too. So from all sides you have benefits in buying flats over here. Plus you have fantastic payment plan where you pay 24% now, 1% every month, and remaining 30% will be on possession. Well designed living room, floor to ceiling clear height is 11 feet. So finally 1 BHK is 750 usable area with balcony, and 2 BHK starts from 1100 square feet usable area. They have bigger usable area too, and possession for these buildings will start from December 2028. And finally friends, for more details you can call me on the number above, or you can click the link in the description. And thank you for watching this presentation. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to this channel, because sharing is caring. And see you again with one more developer, one more project very soon. Bye bye, take care.